Alright, so here's the deal. The Pixel 10 isn't flying solo this year. Google's got more in the works, and that includes updates to its Pro lineup. Just like last year, we're expecting 3 different Pro-tier phones to drop: a regular Pixel 10 Pro, a big boy XL version, and yep, the foldable is coming back too. That's the million-dollar question. How are these Pro models going to be different? Right now, details are kind of under wraps. Some leaked CAD renders have surfaced online, but honestly, these new designs look a lot like what we already got with the Pixel 9 Pro lineup. Still, it's early. We've got some time before Google makes anything official, so we're expecting more juicy leaks to spill soon, especially when it comes to those shiny new AI tricks. If you're not keeping track, Google's Pro lineup currently includes the Pixel 9 Pro with a 6.3-inch screen, the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which bumps things up to 6.8 inches, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold with that sweet 8-inch inner display for foldable fans. From the looks of it, all 3 are coming back in 2025. And yes, CAD renders for the Fold model are already making the rounds online. Let's talk looks. According to those ever-reliable OnLeaks CAD files, the Pixel 10 Pro models aren't shaking things up too much on the outside. The regular Pro's still rocking a 6.3-inch screen, the XL sticks to its massive 6.8-inch form, and the Fold. Well, screen sizes weren't mentioned, but we're guessing Google's staying close to that 8-inch main and 6.3-inch cover setup. Camera-wise, the Fold sticks to its familiar vertical camera pill design. Meanwhile, the standard Pro and XL still flex that horizontal camera bar that almost hits the edge, classic Pixel vibes. Interestingly, Google ditched the camera bar on the Pixel 9a, but flagship fans, you're safe. The Pro series isn't letting go of that iconic bar anytime soon. If you were hoping for a camera revolution, maybe not this time. Word on the street is that the Pixel 10 Pro and XL will have the same camera setup as the 9 Pro series. That's a main shooter, an ultra-wide, and a telephoto. But don't get too bummed, the real camera glow-up might come through software and AI. The new chip, more on that in a sec, could power some seriously next-level photo features, but we probably won't hear about those until we're closer to launch. Here's where things get interesting. Google's gearing up to debut the Tensor G5 chip with the Pixel 10 series. That's the next-gen version of the chip that powers all the magic in Pixel phones. Rumor has it Google's working with TSMC this time around, and the chip might be built on a smaller 3nm process. That said, some leaks suggest the G5 might just be a TSMC remake of the G4, so maybe don't expect a huge leap. But again, the Tensor chips have never been about raw power. They're all about AI. And this year, we're hearing about something called Pixel Sense, a more personalized assistant that learns your habits and helps out based on what you're doing. Think smarter suggestions, faster actions, and generally just less effort on your part. Sounds promising. We don't have exact numbers yet, but if Google sticks to last year's battery sizes, we're looking at 4,700 for the Pixel 10 Pro, 5,060 for the XL, and 4,650 mAh for the Fold. Charging speeds, Pixel 9 Pro was at 27 watts and the XL hit 37 watts with Google's 45 watts charger. So we're curious if Google will close that gap this time around or keep the XL as the faster charging champ. Right now, we've got a solid idea of what the Pixel 10 Pro lineup looks like, but the real fun comes in the details we haven't heard yet. The new AI features, camera tricks, and whether Tensor G5 is a game changer or just a small step forward. We've still got time until Google's big reveal, so expect more leaks and rumors to drop soon. And hey, if you're excited, confused, or just have thoughts about the Pixel 10 stuff so far, drop a comment below. What's got you hyped? What's missing? Catch you in the next one. Until then, stay curious.